crazy, eh?
This is so cool.
Amazing.
Wow.
This is beautiful, eh? That's a lookout point.
With a braai place.
Looks like a braai spot, eh? Wow. I see there's a lot of bollards down there too.
What does that mean?
Some of the bit of the road is washed out.
Where?
Down there. Wow. Another switchback. I can tell you one thing, I'm happy we're going down and not coming up. We would have made it, but it would have been a different experience coming up.
Well, this experience is good enough for me. If you could just focus on the road.
Okay. If you guys can just see how Sonia's grabbing hold of the chair.
This is a bit scary.
I know, it is.
Very far down here.
I know. Check this part, with all the rain they had, must have washed out here.
I'll take off my shoes, my feet are warm. I swear.
Wow. They had a heck of a lot of rain here, hey?
Best that the vehicle who's coming up is not coming up now. I think I need the air conditioner.
You just taking all the clothes off, the shoes have gone, the top's coming off.
This is scary.
Oh, this is one of the most exciting ones we've done so far, eh?
And the problem is, if someone comes from the front, we now have to go to the sheer cliff.
Yeah, but I won't go over.
And how do we get over this?
This we'll go through.
I really am trying not to make weird sounds. But it takes a lot of self-control at this point not to.
Wow. Look at that rock, how it's balancing there.
Let's just balance another minute or so. I'm not one to perspire.
Are you sweating, babe?
Are you reversing?
Because I want to go through, yeah.
Should they not have closed this road? Rather.
No, we're going through it, so it's fine. What would we have done if it was closed? We would have had to turn back.
Well, hopefully they would have told us at the beginning that it's closed, midway. Are we almost there yet?
Don't think so, Angel. Still got a ways to go. How's this rock balancing here? It's incredible. Wow.
Wow.
Crazy, eh?
This is so cool.
Amazing.
Wow.
Look at the formation here.
And they are much smaller layers
Yeah,
now.
look at this, eh?
Up top they were like wider.
Yeah, but it's much finer now.
Yeah.
Very interesting. There's a cave, or what do you call it, a spelonk?
Spelonky.
Yeah. I think the worst part is over.
Can I trust you?
I'm sure you can trust me. I didn't trust me. Whoa.
No choice.
Look at that. That's impressive.
What's that?
Over there.
That reminds me of that rock in the Golden Gate.
Yes.
Just on a much smaller scale, the
Yes.
ship or something.
Definitely, definitely.
Look at this old wall.
Yeah. I wonder if the Baines were involved with this too.
I haven't seen
Thomas
the
Bain,
stats of the the stats of the past though.
Must probably get it down below.
Sure.
This is beautiful. I'm enjoying every minute of this.
This is a bit better.
Yeah.
I was a little nervous up there.
So it looks like a lot of these passes had little toll houses. Because I'm sure this is another toll house that's
What's left of it?
gone into ruin. I'm sure it's another toll house. Like at the Montague Pass, they've turned that one into a beautiful place. And then there's the one by the Seweweekspoort. That's also a pass, a toll house.
Yeah, that's also a ruin.
A ruin, yeah. I'll find out about this one too.
Imagine the wagons, eh? What a time
Whoa.
they had.
Look how we had
Up
to
here.
come. Can you imagine going up here with ox wagons?
No, almost not, eh?
Wow.
There's a reason I didn't live in that time period.
Incredible. And now we're down.